80,000 users, suddenly offline. No errors. Logs looked clean, but the system wasn't responding. Production resources started disappearing one by one. Everyone had the same question. What just happened? Let's see exactly what happened. I'll walk you through the real incident, the root cause, and how we fixed it. First, we checked the cluster. No pods, no nodes. At that point, it was clear this is not an application issue. The infrastructure itself was gone. Next, we checked cluster on AWS. The cluster wasn't even listed. Then we checked Terraform, and that's where we found the main clue. No state file. Without a state file, Terraform has no memory of the existing infrastructure, so it assumes nothing exists. And when Terraform thinks nothing exists, it tries to recreate everything. Now here's the critical part. Auto-approve was enabled in production, no manual review, no plan verification. So when the pipeline ran, Terraform applied those changes immediately, and that's when production resources started disappearing, one by one. So the issue was not the pipeline was green. The real problem was the missing Terraform state. At that point, the priority was not debugging anymore. It was recovery. First thing we did, stop further damage. We immediately disabled the pipeline, blocked any new Terraform runs. Next, we checked the Terraform backend storage. The state file was missing from the S3 backend. Upon investigating the S3 bucket history, we found that the IT team had cleaned up unused S3 buckets. During this process, the S3 bucket containing the Terraform state file was mistakenly deleted. The root cause: the S3 bucket was tagged incorrectly. It was labeled with a non-production tag and was included in the list of buckets scheduled for deletion. Luckily, versioning was enabled, so we restored the previous version of the state file. Once the state was restored, we reinitialized Terraform. Then we ran a plan carefully this time. Now, Terraform correctly detected existing infrastructure. Gradually, infrastructure started coming back. Cluster recreated nodes, joined pods, started running again. System slowly recovered. 4 key mistakes caused this incident. No protection on the Terraform state backend. Auto-approve enabled in production, skipping Terraform plan verification. Incorrect tagging of resources in S3 leading to state file deletion. A successful pipeline does not mean a safe deployment. If Terraform loses state, it doesn't fail loudly. It fails silently. And in that silence, it can destroy your entire system.